In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily and effectively share Google Forms with other teachers. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply sharing resources, Google Forms offers a straightforward and convenient way to work together. Let's start by navigating to Google Forms. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering forms.google.com in the address bar. Once you arrive at the Google Forms homepage, you'll notice several templates and options to create a new form. If you're unfamiliar with Google Forms, take a moment to browse through the pre-made templates. These can save you time if they fit your needs. Now, select the form you wish to share. Click on the title of the form, and it will open in edit mode. Here's where the magic happens. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see the Send button. It resembles a paper plane icon and is your gateway to sharing the form. Click on the Send button, and a new window will pop up offering different ways to distribute your form. You can send the form via email, share a link, or embed it into a web page. For email sharing, simply enter the email addresses of the teachers you want to share your form with in the designated box, customize your message if necessary, and hit send. If you prefer to generate a shareable link, switch to the Link tab, and here you'll find the URL for your form. There's even an option to shorten the URL by checking the corresponding box, making it cleaner and easier to share, especially if you plan on copying it into a message or document. For those who need the form embedded into a website, click on the embed icon, customize the dimensions, and copy the HTML code provided. Once you've chosen your method of sharing, ensure you adjust the sharing permissions appropriately. By default, recipients can fill out the form, but if you're looking for collaborators who can edit the form with you, select the Add Collaborators option in the bottom left corner of the Send Form window. Enter their email addresses and adjust their access level accordingly. Revisit any settings by returning to the form and clicking the Settings icon located atop the window, which allows you to configure permissions and notification options. Familiarizing yourself with these diverse settings can save you time and streamline collaboration. As you wrap up these steps, double-check your initial objective for the form. Are the right people receiving editing access? Are the permissions correctly set? Taking a moment to review these details ensures a smooth sharing experience, and just like that, you're ready to collaborate effectively using Google Forms. With these steps, you're well on your way to facilitating smooth, efficient teamwork and sharing resources with ease. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.